Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Make Money with Video. Now I share lots of different ways, mainly with video, how to make money online, and I basically document my journey. So as I'm learning new things, I'm learning new programs, and I'm making money with it. I want to share them with you guys. In today's video, we're going to look at the top 10 videos, you know what you see a lot of, and you don't have to show your face. So this is my channel. I'll just put the big screen on. This is my channel, Make Money with Video. I'll show you different ways, cash cow for beginners, rain videos, playing video games, animation, homework case, stuff like that, guys. Now, some of the channels, Felix is top 10, yeah? He's making between 326 to 5.2 a month. If you look at his videos, they're like stock images, guys, stock videos, stock images, and with a bit of text on the bottom, yeah? And he's getting, I mean, this one's like a video, a few like clips and stuff like that, more images and that, yeah. And that's all he does, guys. Now another one, I'll just get rid of this. Another one, it's a foreign channel. I just found this, guys. They're making 128 to 2,000 a month, and again, they're just using like stock videos and stock photos and stuff like that, yeah. Not showing the face in any of these. And show you a couple more. Super trendy. They're making 131 to 2.1 a month. Again, just images, guys. A bit of the clips, images, bit of text on the screen, yeah. Best top 10, 176 to 2.8. Clips, videos, yeah, images. Top 10 videos worldwide. They're making a bit more, 4.5 to 72 and a year. They've got more like videos and clips, guys. But I'm going to show you guys it now. If you come to a website called Listverse, you can see they've got like bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, and people upload here and make money for it. But you can come over here and then you can say, for instance, if you want to do this one, or any of them, guys, yeah, you can just click on them and then use these as like inspiration, yeah. Like evil women, like you can make loads. You could use these all the time. Now you could just click on one, yeah, and you could use the title. You can edit them a little bit, guys. Like make them your own, like change a few words around and just take clips of it, yeah. And they've made a video. You've got all this text for it, guys. If you wanted to make your own, you come over to a website called Pexels or Pixabay. There's quite a lot of them. If you just type in free stock images, free stock photos, and then that was about volcanoes. So if you just look volcanoes, yeah, this is going to find like different clips of them, yeah. If we go up to videos, we can play different videos. So you can play it, yeah, and it's showing like views of different like volcanoes. And they're free to download, guys, yeah. So you could choose a lot of others, right? Then all you do, let's just quickly come on here, yeah. So I'm just downloading a few. Yeah. Then you come over to your video editor. Right, so you come over to your video editor. I'm just going to upload those videos. The good thing about this video editor, guys, you can so these have already, they're uploading, guys, but you can come over to your library here and you can type in volcanoes. You can search for videos as well. This uses Pexels and Pixabay, so the same ones, guys. I could have just imported them from here, but I'm just showing you if you want to Pixabay, search for one. Yeah. If you wanted to use, you only got 3, but if you wanted to use it, import video. Yeah. Come over here. Come back to yeah, and then you just drag them on. Right up. Come bring it to the end here. Drag another one on. Drag another one on. Yeah, so you get the idea. You've got all this. If you wanted to add some back to the beginning. Yeah. Go back to that when you get your text. So get your title. Yeah. Come back to your and then you just edit it around. You play around with it, guys. Change the colours and that if you wanted it a different colour. Yeah, you play around with it, and then you just keep doing that. If you want to go to text to speech, you generate. We've got US, all these different voices here. But I'm just going to click one, preview it.
16 most dangerous volcanoes in the world.
Yeah. So you import it to your media library. Go back to here, find your text to speech, put it over here. It's going to read it for you guys, and you can shorten the text here. So if you play it, showing the volcano.
16 most dangerous volcanoes in the world.
And then you just keep adding your text. Yeah, guys. So doing it this way, it can take time. But another way you can go to, guys, if you come over to a program called InVideo, I will leave the link in the description. If you look, they already have pre-made templates for you guys. So you can download these, edit them a little bit, and then sell them to clients and that, like karate studios, travel agencies. Yeah, there's lots of different ways. Yeah, it's got. But we're going to use the text to video. You can also start from blank canvas and do your own, or you can use the pre-made ones, or you can come over to text to video, guys, and then you can choose which one. YouTube, Square for Facebook, and Vertical for Instagram, and that. Choose which one you want. So whichever text you like, the look of. We're just going to use this one for now, guys, and we'll use this template and type in your headline. Yeah, come back to your copy it, come back to InVideo. One minute, guys. Hi guys, sorry about that. Yeah, so I've used all my used a lot of the words. There's only so many words you can use on this. Delete some. Oh my god, what am I doing here? Yeah, just delete some. You take your time. You Oh, right. Let's just not use all this. Oh, I know what it's saying, guys. Just go here. Now, what it's saying, guys, you want to break it up. You'll see in a minute why. What's next? Rearrange text. Yeah, so you break it up, you put sentences, yeah, and you break it up like that, guys, and then it'll do the job for you, and it will import images and videos for you. It doesn't take long. And as you can see, you will just play it. And that's your first one. Then you go to your second one, you can look at that. It's dragging volcanoes in. When you're happy with this, guys, all you do then is you go to download and share. But you can add your own upload, you can add your own videos to it, your images, music, and if you want to preview it all, you can do, guys. We'll play it all, guys. But yeah, so you can change your music, you can change the script if you want to edit a little bit, change the images. You just click on the image, like come here, drag and drop, and that is pretty it. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make. That is how you make a video using script, and you don't even have to think of any of the topics. You just go to that site, yeah, and you can do this from any news sites, any like blog posts or websites you find. You can just drag and drop, copy and paste, rearrange it yourself. But remember, if you're using in video, which the link's in the description, just remember to leave spaces after each sentence, guys, and it'll end up. It's easier for it to do it. Sorry about the gap. I had to let my son in, but don't worry about that. He's now home. So that is it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Make Money with Video, helping you and myself to make money. And that's what the end goal is. Until next time, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.